In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a direct debit on your Starling Bank account. I'll briefly reference the Starling website, but keep in mind that any changes to direct debits must be carried out inside the Starling mobile app. So stay with me, and I'll walk you through the full process step by step. Before we get into the app itself, you can head over to the official Starling Bank website if you want to read more about how direct debits work and what your options are. I'll only be showing the overview page here, so make sure to keep watching so you understand exactly what to do when you're in the app. Now, let's go through the cancellation process. Open the Starling app on your phone and sign in. From your main account screen, head to your payments area, then look for scheduled payments or direct debits. There, you'll see a list of all active direct debits linked to your account. Find the direct debit you want to cancel, tap on it, and you should see an option to cancel direct debit. Confirm your decision, and once it's canceled, the company will no longer be able to collect money from your account. A quick tip: it's usually wise to get in touch with the company as well, just to let them know you've canceled the direct debit. This helps avoid any misunderstandings or interruptions to services. Because I don't have access to a live Starling account, I'm unable to show the in-app screens visually, but the process is very straightforward if you follow the steps I've described. You'll find the link to Starling's official help page in the description below. And if this video helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.